Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel Auto Streets. Today, we're diving into the electric car segment with two heavy hitters, the Hyundai Ioniq 6 and the Kia EV6 GT. These two Korean electric vehicles have been turning heads with their sleek designs and impressive performance. Let's see how they stack up against each other. Side-by-side shots of both cars. Starting with the exterior, both cars boast a futuristic and aerodynamic design. The Ioniq SAX's teardrop shape and streamlined silhouette are reminiscent of a spaceship. The EV6 GT, on the other hand, has a more aggressive stance with its sporty body kit and larger wheels. It's a matter of personal preference, but both cars certainly make a statement. Interior shots of both cars, focusing on features like seats, infotainment, and materials. Inside, both vehicles offer a premium and tech-filled experience. The Ioniq SAX's interior is characterized by its spaciousness and minimalist design. The EV6 GT, however, takes a more sporty approach with its bolstered seats and carbon fiber accents. Both cars feature large infotainment screens with intuitive interfaces and a variety of connectivity options. Driving footage of both cars, including acceleration tests and highway cruising. Now, let's talk performance. The Ioniq 6 offers a good balance of range and efficiency, making it suitable for daily commuting and longer road trips. The EV6 GT, however, is a different beast entirely. With its powerful electric motors, it can deliver exhilarating acceleration and top speeds. It's a true performance car, but it comes at the cost of slightly reduced range. Close-up shots of specific features. Both cars have their own unique selling points. The Ioniq SAX's solar-powered roof can help recharge the battery while parked. The EV6 GT, on the other hand, offers a more immersive driving experience with its electronic limited-slip differential and advanced traction control systems. It's a car that truly engages the driver. Final shots of both cars side by side. So, which car is the right choice for you? It depends on your priorities. If you're looking for a practical and efficient electric vehicle with a futuristic design, the Ioniq 6 might be the way to go. If you crave performance and a more engaging driving experience, the EV6 GT is definitely worth considering. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to take both cars for a test drive and see which one resonates with you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car reviews and automotive news. And let us know in the comments which car you think is the winner.